Hi guys, Saikinik here. Welcome back to this channel. So, today we're going to review a movie. First, if you're a returning subscriber, thank you so much for being here. If you're new, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. So, yan na nga guys, magre-review tayo ng movie which is entitled Indak o Indak Pinas. So, kagagaling ko lang ng premiere night guys and hindi ako pwedeng mag-iingay ng masyado kasi natutulog na yung mga tao. Okay. So, pagpasensyahan nyo na, I need to spill the tea because para mainit-init pa siya. Okay, para mabigyan natin ng justice ang review na to. So, nandun nga ako. I was super blessed kasi nandun si Nadine, ang main cast, si Miss Nadine, at saka si Sam Concepcion. Oh my God, pero malayo ako sa kanila. I wasn't able to go there kasi ang daming tao, dinumog sila ng mga tao, guys. Love sila ng mga taga Cebu. So, ganun na nga guys. I started being a fan of Nadine way back. Diary ng mga pangit. Doon ko sila na-discover si Nadine at saka si James Reid. They're such a good team. Love team. Okay. So ngayon, parang na-shock ako. Wow, Sam Concepcion. Sam. Okay. Sam is a good singer and a good dancer, international, and si Nadine naman parang yung inosente na magaling. Talagang I'm a fan of her. For the movie itself, yung Indak, it's a movie about goal, the love of dancing, the passion to dance. Yun bang if you're a dancer, mafe-feel mo yung yun bang parang nai-express mo yung gusto mong i-express through dance, and parang nakarelate ako kasi ganun ako noon, at even now, even if nag-stop ako ng pag-choreograph ng dance at pagda-dance, in my heart, I dance on my own. Even in this room, I feel the beat, I feel the music, and just I go for it sometimes. And sometimes nakikita ko ng mga anak ko and eventually nagpa-follow sila. Contemporary. Okay, going back to the movie. Spill na natin yung tea. So yun na guys, it's a story about family, teamwork of course, and maraming nagsasabi na pareho siya ng step up. Ito lang masasabi ko sa kanyo kind of, but there's a twist. Pinoy to eh. So there's a twist kasi ang nagustuhan ko lang talaga sa kanya is hindi lang siya puro dance. Sa Step Up kasi puro dance. But then this movie is an infusion of dance and singing. So Pinoy. Filipinos are known talented when it comes to singing and dancing, and all over the world, alam naman talaga niyan. What I really love is the chemistry. I thought wala akong makikitang chemistry sa love team na to, but then I was super surprised kasi makita nyo, i-insert ko yung clip ng video na naghihiyawan talaga yung mga tao. Inaamin ko, sexy si Nadine sa, not sexy na sexy, yung sexy yung emotion niya, yung face niya, maganda sa role. Si Sam din, super, nakikita talaga ako kay Sam, nasesexihan din ako, nasesexihan ako kay Nadine. Talagang naghihiyawan yung mga tao pagpakita ng picture ni James Reid. Okay? So, yun nga, ang gusto ko lang talagang is, when it comes sa whole movie, whole package, I'm a fan, okay? The movie was great. Maganda yung storyline kasi meron talagang pinaghuhugutan. Hindi yung pa-jump yung story ba. Meron pinaghuhugutan, and I believe there's a part 2 of it. And be excited. And for those hindi pa nakapanood ng Indak, you should, especially to those people who love dancing and passionate about music, singing and dancing. This is a movie that you will strive hard, that would knock your heart to dance even more. And for those dancing enthusiasts, hobbyists, or gusto lang talagang mag-dance, or mga dancer dyan, this is a movie for you. I'm super proud kasi I bet this is the first film na dancing lang talaga, and parang lumilevel up siya. And the only thing na parang maybe the whole movie I gave 9 kasi I was waiting for that beautiful impact na feel ko naman talaga siya, especially sa ending. Grabe, masasabi mo talagang, wow, Pinoy ako. Okay. So, meron lang talaga akong nakulangan. Don't get me wrong ha, I'm a super fan of Nadine. I love her acting. She's a good actress. Meron lang talaga akong konting gustong makita sa kanya, yung mga moves niya, parang there's some kind of limitation, but I know she's a good actress and I really love her voice. Yun lang siguro yung especially sa mga pitik at saka yung dito, but she's good. Overall, she's good. She's a total package. And the movie itself, para siyang a big whole picture of a good movie. Okay, ano ba yung sinasabi ko? Basta, little flaws. Hindi naman siya masasabing flaws, but then, hindi ko naman sinasabi na kinukompare ko sila, pero yung pang Salvador, yun. And I was expecting na nandito yung mga bigate na magagaling sumasayaw, like Maha. I was expecting Maha on this movie. I was expecting... Basta si Maha yung first na naiisip ko sa movie na to na nandun. I was surprised kasi, of course, Billy Crawford. Nandun si Billy Crawford. Oh, spoiler. Hindi ako magsasabi ng storyline kasi dapat manood kayo. Okay? So, yun na guys. Hopefully, ma-ignite kayo sa review na to at mapanood nyo. And let's support if you're a dancer. Yun nga, you love dancing. You should support this movie guys. And hopefully, this is a venture na marami pang madidiscover and makapasok sa, hindi naman talagang makapasok sa movie, but then madiscover yung maraming Filipinos na nagsasayaw, and then, para rin makasuporta ba sa mga dancers, kasi hindi naman talaga lahat ng dancers nakapunta ng ganong level, pero if merong mga movie na ganito, yung mga effort na nagpa-practice sa street, maybe parang leverage of talents na nare-recruit. Kasi if maraming movie na ganito, marami ding mga dancers na nadidiscover at nagbibigyan ng trabaho. So, thank you so much for that, and I hope you enjoyed this video. And by the way guys, if you enjoyed this video, please don't forget to like, share, subscribe, and be part of this happy family. Bye-bye for now. Sarang he. And by the way guys, maganda siya kasi level up pang Koreang peg. Bye-bye.